I got a cease and desist letter, Angela. What should I do? I get this question a lot. People call me because they have received a cease and desist letter. I'm going to spend the next 4 minutes discussing what you should do. I'm Angela Langlotz. I go live here on weekdays to discuss trademark and copyright law and to answer your questions. If you have trademark or copyright law questions, drop them into the comments below and I'll answer them on a future live video. Don't forget to share this video if you think other people might find it useful. So I frequently get phone calls from people with a panicked tone in their voice saying, hey, a couple days ago, I got this cease and desist letter and I don't know what to do. And my answer is always, well, let's schedule a time to talk so that I can look at the letter. Now, sometimes when we talk, the person says, oh, well, I don't want to spend the money to have you answer it. I'm just going to answer it myself. And that's usually the wrong thing to do. Why? Is it because I want to make money answering people's cease and desist letters? Well, no, not really. It's because even though I do charge for that sort of thing, of course, and I offer that service, but really when people don't understand all of the issues involved, they are not competent to evaluate the claim of trademark or copyright infringement, and they sometimes make really stupid admissions when they respond on their own. They might say things like, well, yes, I copied, but I didn't make any money off of it. Or, yeah, I copied, but it was just on the internet and I thought that you could copy. Or, you know, my trademark isn't exactly the same as yours, so I'm not guilty of trademark infringement. None of these are very good arguments, okay? Unless you are an attorney, you might not be capable of knowing the law in the first place and knowing what your defenses to trademark or copyright infringement might be. Now, also, in some cases, people send bullying letters. I got a bullying letter that a client sent to me. They were accusing her of trademark infringement and trade dress infringement and patent infringement, and the whole thing was complete baloney. She hadn't done any of those things, not even close, and it was borderline unethical for this attorney to have sent this letter. I believe it was sent completely in bad faith, and I told my client that, and I told opposing counsel that when I responded to their accusations with a letter of my own. I told them that they were full of it, in nice legalese, of course, and that their accusations were completely without legal foundation. Now, if you don't know what your rights are under trademark law or copyright law, you might be tempted to give money. They were asking this person for $25,000 for her alleged infringement, which she had done none of. So some of these letters are completely outrageous and can be what I like to call trademark bullying or copyright bullying, but you don't know this unless you talk to an attorney who can tell you what your rights and responsibilities are. I'm Angela Langlotz. I go live here on weekdays to talk about trademarks and copyrights. You can find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net. You can also find me on YouTube, where I have a channel with almost 500 videos. I'm there at video.TrademarkDoctor.net/YouTube. I'm also on Facebook at facebook.com/TrademarkDoctor. I will answer your trademark questions here live on a video if you drop them into the comments below.